Welcome to another Todd's
2-Minute Tech Tip Tuesday.
Brought to you by the National RV Training Academy, the only academy that gives you the credentials to become a certified tech and/or certified inspector. Welcome to Todd's 2-Minute Turkey Tech Tip Tuesday. Just in time for Thursday. How about that? All right, so if you're gonna be cooking, do this. All right, now I know that we're talking about cooking, and I know some of you, can you get a turkey in there? Well, I don't know, maybe you can get you a small little roaster chicken. But if you're going to cook in your RV oven, a great recommendation that we have is, and I think you've already learned this, that when you're cooking in the oven, it doesn't cook evenly. Actually, if you'll notice, my burner assembly is right here in the middle, and I've got a flame going on either side, and so we've got hot spots. One recommendation that is actually provided is to put a cooking stone right here on the metal plate. Now, that cooking stone should not cover up the holes because, of course, that's where it needs to breathe. But we need to set a cooking stone right on the metal source. And what will happen is that cooking stone will absorb the heat and begin to even out some of that heat. Now, it won't make it perfectly even, but man, it makes it a whole lot better. Okay? If you don't have a cooking stone or pizza stone that would fit that, you can get unglazed terracotta stones. Okay, you can get those at the local big box store. Unglazed terracotta stones that you can set in there, make sure that they're touching all the way across. And again, just put it within the parameters or that perimeter out inside where the holes are. You have these holes that go all the way around that metal pan. So put your terracotta stones there or your cooking stone and you'll even out your heat. Food will be a lot better. If you want to be able to fix the majority of the problems on your rig, well, let's say you want to open up a business, become a certified inspector or a certified RV technician, head over to our website at NRVTA.com, click on programs, and get started today. If you're going to deep fry your turkey, don't do it with your awning out. I love these handles on the side. Like, how many times are you going to use them? Did you watch Yellowstone last night? This was good. All right, welcome to Todd's 2-Minute Turkey Tech Tip. Hey, welcome to Todd's 2-Minute Turkey Tech Tip. Welcome to Todd's 2-Minute Tech Tip Turkey Tuesday. Damn. Todd's 2-Minute Turkey Tech Tip Tuesday. Welcome to Todd's 2-Minute Turkey Tech Tip. Is it Turkey Tech Tip? Welcome to Todd's 2-Minute Turkey Tech. Hey, let's go ahead and talk about Todd's just-in-time tip Tuesday for Thanksgiving, when we give thanks on Thursday. See how I did all that? La 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 la. Here we go. I got really nothing here. I just wanted to open this up because it's fun. Okay? Now, if you're gonna cook up here, just make sure one thing that you wanna do, since you're gonna be cooking a lot, make sure you got propane. Don't get into Thursday and go halfway through your meal and figure out, oh no, I'm out of propane. So do yourself a favor and top that stuff off. Even if you're going in with 3/4 of a tank, top it off. Because if you're in some place where it's cold, and you're RVing wrong, you're going to be turning on that furnace, which is going to use your propane. Now, the oven's going to pull roughly about 40,000 BTUs, okay? It will be one of the biggest items that you use. And so if you're going to be cooking in your oven, make sure you got your propane.